Hello, my name is Lyre. I've been a musical instrument maker for many years, and I want to invite you to build this with me. This musical instrument is called a 7-string lyre. It's also called a kinnor, which is a Hebrew style lyre. It's got 7 strings, and I have built a mastery class for you to learn the techniques of how to build this. And it gives you step by step from choosing the material to putting all the material together to putting the strings on, the hardware on, and tuning it up. And this is not just going to teach you how to make this, but it's going to help you learn techniques for working with different types of tools. And I've designed this course to not just focus on electric tools or not just focus on hand tools, but I blended them so you could actually build this with just really simple hand tools. So I want to invite you here to this mastery class. I think you'll really benefit from it. And you can learn all of the information about this on my website, calebbyerly.org. Thank you.